Hi there friends, Steve here, certified rolfer, here to show you some techniques for self-care of the neck. These are called muscle energy techniques. 3 techniques we're going to be trying: lateral flexion, rotation, and a combination of the 2. So let's get right at it. Here's the first one. It is lateral rotation of the neck, meaning ear to shoulder. So you're going to place your ear to your shoulder just in a sideways motion, okay, till what's called the end feel. In other words, stopping when it's comfortable, okay, but going to the end, okay, and then placing your hand here on the side of your head and pressing your head into your hand this way, up, and holding for 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to rush that a little bit. And bringing it back to neutral. Taking a nice deep breath. Resetting. And again, flexing and pressing in. With about around 20-25% of your strength. So it's comfortable, but you feel that you're putting a good resistance into that hand, which is blocking your head, okay? And coming back. Okay, so I know that was only twice, but for expediency's sake, we're going to switch to the other side. Okay. Now, notice I'm doing this very carefully as to not injure myself. And pressing in, so pressing in this way now. Very good. So that's lateral flexion. So again, 3 times, coming back to center, taking a deep breath, and repeating the motion. You may find that after repeating this lateral flexion 3 times, that your range of motion has indeed improved. So here's the next technique. This is called rotation of the head. Okay? So you're turning your head. Notice how it's different than lateral flexion. Lateral flexion, rotation. Okay, I'm just going to move over so you can see me. Okay, so I've rotated my head to a comfortable point, to the end, and I'm going to put my hand here on my face and press in for 10 seconds. And coming back to center. Take a nice deep breath, allowing the nervous system to reset. And turn slowly and carefully and pressing in. Coming back to the center. Taking a deep breath and turning the other way. And pressing in. Pressing in towards my hand. And coming back to center and resetting again 3 times. The last technique is going to be a combination of the 2, of lateral flexion and rotation. So, first we laterally flex and then rotate upward. I'm going to show you that one more time. You laterally flex and rotate up. And then you're going to be pushing up this way. So I'm pushing up into my hand here. And you should see these muscles here pop out. Those are your scalene and sternocleidomastoid muscles. Mostly your sternocleidomastoid right here. Very beneficial to stretch those out and elongate those, especially if you're sitting at a desk. Okay, so I'll do the other side now. Lateral flexion, rotate up, and press in. And you can feel right here, this muscle popping out. And it feels very good to get that stretched. Okay, again, all these motions should be done very carefully, slowly, accurately, as to avoid injury. And what you will find is an increased range of motion. But another benefit is that you are retraining the nerve receptors in your neck to have a new reset point, which means you'll have greater mobility in your neck, and greater mobility means less pain and more strength and all good things. Okay, so take care.